Welcome to ProNav. If you're looking for a way to improve your English or French, taking tests and have real-time assessment, you're on the right exact page. If you're preparing for IELTS, ProNav allows you to take practice tests. So let's try one. Now you have to record your voice. Are you coming out? Larry was unable to finish on time. As soon as he has collected the results, he will post them to his website. Now you can see the results and correct your pronunciation. So the words that are highlighted in red are the ones that you can retry. Are you coming out tonight? ProNav also has an interactive conversation simulator. It asks questions, you answer, then you instantly receive feedback on grammar and pronunciation.
Hi, I am the conversation simulator. I will help you practice your conversation skills. Speak to answer my questions. I will display what I hear and mark any grammar I don't understand in red. Did you go to high school near to where you lived?
Not really, it was kind of far from the place I used to live.
What did you like about your high school?
I loved everything about it, like getting to see my friends every day, learning new things. Plus, you can take a full mock test for both general and academic. Here is the writing section. You have the reading part. Listening section.
Excuse me,
Yes?
I wonder if you could spare a few minutes to do a survey on transport. It won't take long.
No, that's fine.
Oh, lovely.
So we're going to skip to the speaking section. I currently live in Montreal and I've been living here for the past 3 years. So that's it. Drop us a message for more information and support.